Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can have more devices in your currently installed Vivado 2021.2 and how you can upgrade to have Vitis. Alright, so double click here, and once you have Vivado open, click here on the help tab and then click here at design tools or devices. There's gonna be a pop-up window that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes, and then it's gonna show you a welcoming pop-up dialog box which says Unified Xilinx Installer, and it's gonna take a little while to open up the setup. Alright, here we go. So click here next, and then you have to log in again, and then click here next. Once you have signed in, it's gonna show you like what you have currently installed and what you wanna upgrade to. Okay, so I'm gonna select this Vitis Unified Software Platform here, and if you just wanna add the ports, you can keep this settings and then you can go to next, and then you can select the more devices. But right now I'm also upgrading my Vivado to have the Vitis, so I'm gonna select this and then click here next. So you can see like we have more options once we have selected Vitis, right? So the thing is like I still don't need to have more devices because I'm not going to work all of them, so I'm going to deselect the unwanted devices, and then I'm going to keep this Vitis model composer this time, and then I'm going to click next and then install. It's gonna take a little while, but not that much time as it took before. Alright guys, so we have this setup done, so click next, and click agree, and click install, click finish. Alright, so we have this successfully installed. It says install completed successfully. If Xilinx tools are currently running, please restart to see the devices you have just added. So if you have added any of the devices, you have to restart your Vivado design suite to see the devices. Alright, so here click OK, and then that is finished. Alright guys, after restarting the Vivado, now you can launch the Vitis IDE. So click here on the tools and then go to launch Vitis IDE here. And then here we have the workspace address, so click launch, and then it's gonna bring you to the new IDE which is called Vitis. So this is Vitis. Now you can have your workspace and you can create application project and do whatever the stuff you want to do here. Alright, so that is it. Thank you for watching.